Two hosting giants, SiteGround versus Namecheap. Which one really delivers? On the left, SiteGround, known for premium speed and support for professionals. On the right, Namecheap, offering affordable hosting and domains simplified for everyone. Let's skip the buzzwords and dig into what really matters for your website. Each category racks up points, giving you a clear winner by the end. You might be surprised by how close this showdown gets. Here's our mind map for today, just so you know where we're headed. We're gonna break things down by price, performance and speed, support, security and privacy, global presence, hosting features, and last but definitely not least, beginner friendliness. Ready for round one? Alright, first up, price. So SiteGround comes in strong with some pretty generous features and they keep billing simple, no hidden sneaky stuff. But here's the catch, starting price is around $3.99 a month and no free domain? Yeah, you heard that right. Meanwhile, Namecheap, oh boy, it's literally dirt cheap. We're talking intro deals from $1.98 a month and you get a free domain no matter which plan you pick. They even take crypto, which is kinda wild. Still, those sugar-coated intro prices, they jump up at renewal and some advanced tricks cost extra. But if saving money's your thing, Namecheap seriously shines here. Now let's talk performance and speed. SiteGround is like the hosting version of a sports car. Global data centers, Cloudflare CDN out of the box, top-tier optimization for things like WordPress and Joomla, staging and caching tools, you know, all the stuff pros actually need. But if you're on the cheapest plan, first loads can sometimes be just a smidge slower. Namecheap, on the other hand, does pretty well for real-world speed, especially with things like LCP and TTI. Snappy for simple sites, no doubt. The catch? No built-in CDN on those basic shared plans, and your data center options are, let's just say, limited. Kinda like going to a diner and finding out they only serve breakfast. SiteGround definitely takes the performance crown here. Next, let's look at support. With SiteGround, you get this super fast 24/7 live chat, and honestly, customers absolutely rave about their techs. Oh, and if you're migrating a site, they do it like pros, only caveat. If it's a crazy busy day, ticket times may drag a bit, but overall, pretty unstoppable. Namecheap's got responsive live chat too, plus a solid knowledge base with like tons of articles. Still, third-party ratings are kind of hit or miss, and for really advanced stuff, their support's just not as deep. Verdict? SiteGround is the place you call when your site is on fire and you need the A-team. Oh, and here's something cool you might not know. Namecheap actually started life as a domain registrar and now they manage over 7 million domains. 7 million, that's a lot of internet real estate. Alright, now on to security and privacy. SiteGround gives every customer free SSL daily backups for a whole month, pretty generous, and AI anti-bot stuff on their popular apps. But malware scanning? That's only for the really pricey plans. Namecheap actually steps it up with two-factor logins, free WHOIS privacy for domains so spammers can't find you, and baked-in malware protection if you use EasyWP. But their backups are kinda meh, short retention and not very granular, so if privacy's a big deal, Namecheap quietly pulls ahead here. Let's talk global presence. SiteGround almost shows off here, data centers across the US, UK, Netherlands, Singapore. Honestly, it's a world tour. Their CDN covers 194 plus cities, not bad. Only thing, no data centers in Africa or South America, so it's not absolutely everywhere. Namecheap, pretty basic, US and UK, and that's pretty much it. No CDN on the cheapest plans. So yep, SiteGround definitely rules if you want your site close to visitors everywhere. Moving on, hosting features. SiteGround rolls out the red carpet, one-click staging, yes, automated migrations, SSH access even on the cheapest plan, and all the special juice for WordPress and Joomla. Resellers. You'll love it here. Still, no free domain, which feels a bit stingy. Namecheap flips that free domain, and get this, you can run unlimited sites on their lowest plan. They've got auto backups and classic cPanel, but their site builder is super basic and you won't find CDN integration unless you pay up. Features champ, gotta hand it to SiteGround. Alright, beginner friendliness time. SiteGround tries hard, easy installers, clear onboarding, but if you're brand new to this whole thing, some of the advanced stuff can feel overwhelming. Namecheap though, that's simple mode all the way. Their dashboard is clean. Easy WP makes the whole WordPress thing a breeze, and you get setup wizards holding your hand every step. Watch out for upsells, but if you're launching your first site, honestly, Namecheap makes it almost too easy. Let's wrap up those stats visually. Check out how both hosts cube up on our radar chart. Some spikes for SiteGround on speed and support, Namecheap soaring in price and beginner friendliness. You see those strengths popping out right. So after all that, where do I land? Well, if you're a pro or business, need blazing speed, deep support, and want to play global, SiteGround is your home base. But if you're just starting out, counting your pennies, or want everything simple with a free domain thrown in, honestly, Namecheap is kind of the no-brainer. So hey, power or price, which one fits your next project best? Don't forget to bookmark or share this for your next hosting upgrade. See you next time, webmasters.